Yo, what's good? Shout out, we're out here. Oh, I'm sorry. We're out here at the Guest Sports event. Shout out to Jared Muros. Subscribe to that fool. Go check it out.
DJ Quincy here. Best DJ motherfucking world. Subscribe to Jared Muros. I'm little motorboat. You feel me? We over here in downtown LA at the motherfucking Perk 30 right now, nigga. I give no fucks. Look at that nigga the fucking hammer in fucking push.
I put a molly in my water, then I drank it up. Best believe he got a pistol if he came with us. Now you find out about your bitch because y'all breaking up. If it's beef, I hope you ready, we gon' shake it up. I put a molly in my water, then I drank it up. Best believe he got a pistol if he came with us. You find out about your bitch.
I'm feeling good, you feel me? It's a pretty hot day, but pulling through.
How you feeling, Lord Hex?
Feeling like $1 million. Feeling like I'm about to get
fucked. Man's come and get him cause he bout to get it. This your bitch like go for real because I'm about to hit. It's a throwaway, the bro just caught a body with it. This a 20 ounce, I'm about to throw some quality. I ain't friendly with no.
Alright, so now like at this point of the festival, we're kind of just walking around trying to kill some time before YG comes on. So we come here to the side where like the cars and the restrooms are, and we notice that to the right of the stage, there's a little entrance with the security guard where anybody is like walking in and out of, like everybody who's taking photos, everyone taking videos, everyone with media passes, and like all the groupies and stuff, they're going right in and out of there. So at this point, I'm like, yo, I'm gonna try and get in there like before we leave today.
Subscribe to Jared Muros on YouTube. Subscribe to Jared Muros on YouTube. Subscribe to Jared Muros on YouTube, bitch. I said, bitch, subscribe to Jared. Got this bitch's hair, she giving me that head.
What's good? We had to dip real quick because the food was too expensive and it was hot as fuck, and YG ain't coming on for another 3 hours. So we about to go explore LA. We about to go get some food. We about to go.
I already know what the fuck going on, bitch.
We ran into some tweakers.
Best believe he got a pistol if he came with us. You find out about your bitch because y'all breaking up. If it's beef, I hope you ready, we gon' shake it up.
What the fuck was that? Fuck? Whose dumbass did this? The fuck?
Oh, it's a sticker.
It's a sticker? It's a temporary tattoo?
Temporary.
I hate that shit on market.
Fool, you weren't even born in 1983.
Yeah, it was.
You were born in like 2004. What the fuck?
I was born in 2004.
Why do you have 1983?
Cause that was when I was born in my past life.
That's your block or what?
Yeah, 1983.
Nice shirt.
Thank you. DJ Quincy?
DJ Quincy's here. DJ Quincy's here. Hey, DJ Quincy's here.
I'm out here, standing right next to Coco. This is a man right here, I'm doing it. This man right here is my manager.
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah. I make music and shit like that.
Alright, on top of it.
Standing 6 feet tall, weighing 160 pounds, coming live from Bumpton, nigga. Make some motherfucking noise for YG.
Shout out to guests for having me, Guest Sports. Shout out to motherfucking Babylon Pleasures. Hey, I'm in the dark going crazy. I'm in the dark going 20 past 80. I'm in the dark and some movies Scorsese. I'm in the dark, it's a life bit. Let me in the dark, nigga. In the dark, in the dark, in the dark, nigga. In the dark, in the dark, in the dark, nigga. Shout out to all my honeys up in this motherfucker. Love that all I need. Bad bitch gon' go. Slide on a nigga with the fofo. Yeah, fofo slide, fofo. My bitch so low. She put that ass like a my bitch go low. Slide on a nigga with the fofo. LA, I love y'all. Guest Sports, Babylon Pleasures, everybody else. Long live my nigga Nib Hustle. I love you, nigga. Yeah. 400.
It's not gonna do anything. Look at it. It's not gonna do anything.
You wanna try it?
Yo. So at this point, this is when I told my homie Freddie, I'm like, hey, let's just go in. Like, fuck it, I'll pretend to be recording and I'm a part of guest or something. So then I walk in, filming, and he's right behind me. And I walk, and I dead ass look the security guard in the eye, and I just give him a nod, and I keep going. And they let us right in.
What's up? What's up? I find out YG's popping Kilani.
Hey, I'm finna do this again for Shoreline tomorrow. Been waiting 2 hours for his dumb ass. And he still looks like a bum. What the fuck?
I've been balling out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I count up this paper. Ballin', this ain't no free throw. Got your bitch on my dick, she a freak hoe.
So now, this is like the moment of truth for day 2. Me and my homie Freddie are walking down. And I told him, I was like, hey, you know, pretend you're famous and I'll just be filming you pretending like we're doing some shit for guests.
What's good, y'all? You feel me? We're all about to go.
You going? What are you saying?
And then we're about to fuck.
So we try to walk into the other side of the security where the gate is, like different from yesterday. And they stop us immediately and they're like, no, you can't go through here. So we're like, fuck. What are we gonna do now?
I've been balling out, boy, it ain't nothing major.
So we wait like 15 minutes and I noticed on the other side that we came in yesterday, it's the same security guard. So I try to do the same thing as yesterday. I walk in with the camera and I look him in the face and he remembers me. So I keep going in and we're like an hour there before Shoreline performs.
Damn, all you niggas disappointments. Nut on your bitch, rub it on her like some ointment. That's your bitch.
Hey, y'all gotta turn this bitch up one time. Hold on. Hey, Cypher, drop that bitch.
What's up, bitch? That's it. I just smoking on some kill. Little bad little bitch on the pill. And she for the whole team, that's how you feel. What's the deal? I'm making these guys taking in the game. Hands up. If the club wanna put me, I get 20 or better. If a nigga wanna put me, he gon' be just bereft. What you gon' do when we put on that pressure? I know these niggas, but I know you get this stuff.
B-boy top man, B-boy top man.
I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't no nation. I can never switch, I can never be a hater. Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with that laser. I'm smoking a little play while I count up this paper.
Y'all motherfuckers start that. Turn this bitch up and start playing.
Yeah, that's me, I'm feeling my nigga, I'm feeling lately, it must be. Hey, why, don't they wanna fuck me? Must be. Oh, my nigga who got the must be. It must be OGs, cause he say so requesty. They ask me how I'm feeling, my nigga, I'm feeling lately, it must be. Hey, why, don't they wanna fuck me?
Give me both them bitches. Yeah, y'all gotta throw that shit everywhere. Whoever, y'all gotta throw that shit everywhere. Start playing. This ain't a Millie Rock, this a money dance in my dick game hard, that's a 30 in my, I got 30 of them bands, I'ma make a stupid dance and I'ma fuck a nigga bitch, cause you know that she a fan. This ain't a Millie Rock, this a money dance in my dick game hard, that's a 30 in my pants, I got 30 of them bands, I'ma make a stupid dance and I'ma fuck a nigga bitch, cause you know that she a fan. Lil' Molly, either white or it's young, like you saying, if you need it, hit my line, or I got it, I'm the man, I see kind of this was in, that's what made me on the bitch, fucking hella rings, I don't money dance in my dick game hard, that's a 30 in my pants. I got 30 of them pants. I'ma make a script dance and I'ma fuck a nigga bitch cause he know that she a fan.
Hey, Steven, let me get it. So both of us. Dude, yo, shit, nigga, should be you. That's what Kuko said, bro. I'll leave.
That nigga already went in?
Yeah.
Hi.
I wanna see where that nigga is going.
Let me see.
Goodbye. Yeah.
Goodbye. Goodbye. There's 4 of you. What's the other
So
one?
many phones right here. But you could just go to it and send it to me.
What happened?
I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can
Hey,
never
Scott,
be
get
a
the video,
hater.
get in there.
Tryna hit a lick, you get hit with the lasers. I'm smoking hella pack while I count up some paper. I've been ballin' out, boy, it ain't nothing major. I can never switch, I can
We're done. That shit was lit. We got in the back 2 days in a row. What y'all know about that?